profound mystery, but I'm not talking about Christ and the church. However, each one of you must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 3 to 31 to 33. As their friends and loved ones, we come to join them in the celebration of this moment in their lives. We affirm their desire to join together in marriage, and we pledge to support their union. Apo. Sige, Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted by these couples? Apo ko muna natin already. Alright, very good. Sige, nasa tayo na dawa. Right into. So, Ronnie can happen, ha? Harap tayo sa loob ng center. Ronnie, ka na. O, Apple, kumagin ka, ha? Are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service of your husband-to-be? Isama ka. Oh, yes. The groom, Ronnie, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be?
Yes, sir.
Very good. To the bride and groom, do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Declaration, declare naman intention. Adat isa rin din ang abaw? Or away? O follow after nila ay yung gano'n. Sige, gano'n. First to the groom, ako. Tawagin ka. Will you have Apple to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, and keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, to be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Ronnie?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Apple, will you have Ronnie to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, and keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, to be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Is that divided for you or what? As you start your life as husband and wife, accept the Bible, the Word of God, the foundation upon which you should build your new home. Keep this in your hearts and may forgo in peace. Sing ako. Yaman yun. Magkakaroon tayo. A circle is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, the rings have no beginning and no end. They have tokens of growing relationship. They have come here to celebrate and confirm. Follow after me, Ronnie. Ako tanong ko yung ni Apple. I give you this ring.
I give you this ring
As a sign of my vow.
as a sign of my vow,
And with all that I am.
and with all that I am,
All that I have.
all that I can,
Honor you.
honor you.
So, noon. Sitamat ako. Anong di naman naman. Follow after me. I give you this ring. As a sign of my vow. With all that I am. And all that I have. I honor you. So, noon. Change of vows. Kung awan vows you, follow after nila yung manan. Ikaw maiman naman yan, Ronnie. May ako. Follow after ni Ronnie. I hereby take you, Apple,
I hereby take you, Apple,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
we have
One heart.
one heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection,
From this day forward,
and this day forward.
for better or for worse, health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
love and service,
until we be parted by death.
until we depart
By death. This is my solemn vow.
myself, holy man.
Okay, good. Pagkamit ako, follow after me. And I try kong patay mo. Pause na. I hereby take you, Ronnie,
I'm hereby take you, Ronnie,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of mind,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we depart by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay? Sige Apo, manamit advice from the parents. Kung muna type ko eh. Ano na advice? Manamit type ko pag Apo. Dahil ka sa wish you Apo.
Kasi lang di may ko mga mensahe kanya yung at ayan na silang kabayo at amuyon itaray ng pamilya kami katulad na ito'y buhayo. Ang amuyon iti mading masaya. So di kayo mading ang ugamit katulad tayo. Diyan na saya at namin si Pastor kayo. Ang pastor, pag sumag na pa ng pati pamilya nyo masaya at diyan masakmaya si pamilya. Diyan lang ang hindi magmamaya.
Thank you. Sabat na representative ko. From the family, sige.
Ating bigay ko na lang kasi maging open kayo may isa ng may isa. Pinasta. Awanti naging
Thank you. From the Nilo Inang. Siguro ni Apo Sekloy. Ito naman. Oh.
Well, muna congratulations para kayo sa buwa. Nasyatlo na ikanal daw pinasali ng inyo tayo para sa buwa. Mutayo naman na sa mga uso na doon at hindi natin may sa mga lahat ng baba. This is the right thing that you need to do. So, may bak na kanyayo, amok na for the past years, that nakita sa matin tayo pa na itinunos na duwa, so pa na itinulong, amok na inateori, pagbibigay sa mga core. That is a test, iday, parang gaya na yakdo, ito na nasa. The best thing that you should be doing all the time, keep in mind na basta dalagat niti trust you, ito mga almasa. And your relationship will slowly go on. So again, congratulations, and of course, ano na rin, ipatang na ka na lagi ko dito na ng problema, sugatin mo na ang congratulations to all of you, and keep up, and have a good and happy family.
No, sige yo, ano ba? Ang nagawa niyo promise mo kay Apo. Kaya kayo natin natin promise mo kay nanay.
Apo, I promise to be grateful every single week that I have you with. No matter the struggles we have, I something can very happiness, the promise that you did. That is, I can honor you.
Gamit Apo.
Ronnie, I promise to challenge you to be everything I know you can be. To never be trapped in the fire. To always see in yourself what I see in you. An amazing man, my husband, for whom I will always feel a greatest pride and admiration.
Nice, very nice. Thank you. Sige, Lord. By the power, by the I, Benjamin Loren Colasco III, Municipal Mayor of Bamban, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. You will now kiss the bride. Okay, first legal kiss.
The first legal case.
Oh.
Yay!
So, nakakaalagit na naman. Hindi ka na naalawin. Sige, Mike. Agbilang kayo. Oh, thank you. Second kiss. Oh, anyway, nagiging ninong-ninang witness ko mamit at firmadan ako the certificate of marriage. Witness yung ako, ninong-ninang. Ninong-ninang witness. Oo, double check. How old is how old? Nag-start the classes na. Maka-booster shots pa yun, bago kayo pa eh. Second? Very good, very good. May partner tama tama. Okay, more copies. Wala ako. Oh, congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations. Oh, sige ka, picture taking tayo. Family of the bride and groom. Ako, yung bride and groom. Family, family. Sige. Family, di family ako.
Mabalik? Yan.
Okay? Oh, with the sponsors ako. Sponsors. Hindi camera.
Compress.
One minute. Please.
Now you need to smile. 1, 2, 3.
Sudah lang na yun na kuha. Sudah lang.
Holy Family.